First reading, Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 8. In the year that King Ozias died, I saw the Lord sitting upon a throne high and elevated, and his train filled the temple. Upon it stood the seraphims, the one had 6 wings, and the other had 6 wings, with 2 they covered his face, and with 2 they covered his feet, and with 2 they hew. And they cried one to another, and said, Holy, 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 the Lord God of hosts, all the earth is full of his glory. And the lintels of the doors were moved at the voice of him that cried, and the house was filled with smoke. And I said, Woe is me, because I have held my peace. Because I am a man of unclean lips, and I dwell in the midst of a people that hath unclean lips, and I have seen with my eyes the King the Lord of hosts. And one of the seraphims flew to me, and in his hand was a live coal, which he had taken with the tongs off the altar. And he touched my mouth, and said, Behold, this hath touched thy lips, and thy iniquities shall be taken away, and thy sin shall be cleansed. And I heard the voice of the Lord, saying, Whom shall I send? And who shall go for us? And I said, Lo, here am I, send me. Psalms chapter 93 verse 1 to 2, 5. The Lord hath reigned, he is clothed with beauty, the Lord is clothed with strength, and hath girded himself. For he hath established the world which shall not be moved. Thy throne is prepared from of old, thou art from everlasting. Thy testimonies are become exceedingly credible, holiness becometh thy house, O Lord, unto length of days. Gospel, Matthew chapter 10 verse 24 to 33. The disciple is not above the master, nor the servant above his Lord. It is enough for the disciple that he be as his master, and the servant as his Lord. If they have called the goodman of the house Beelzebub, how much more them of his household? Therefore fear them not. For nothing is covered that shall not be revealed, nor hid, that shall not be known. That which I tell you in the dark, speak ye in the light, and that which you hear in the ear, preach ye upon the housetops. And fear ye not them that kill the body, and are not able to kill the soul, but rather fear him that can destroy both soul and body in hell. Are not 2 sparrows sold for a farthing? And not one of them shall fall on the ground without your Father. But the very hairs of your head are all numbered. Fear not therefore, better are you than many sparrows. Every one therefore that shall confess me before men, I will also confess him before my Father who is in heaven. But he that shall deny me before men, I will also deny him before my Father who is in heaven.